Dear students, welcome to Blackboard. In class 9, you have studied the linear equation in two variables, its general form, finding solutions and all. The general form of a linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where x and y are variables. A, B and C are real numbers. The general form is ax plus by plus c equal to 0. For example, 2x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. Here x and y are variables. 2, 4 and 5 are real numbers. The general form of pair of linear equations in two variables is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Pair of linear equations, that means there are two equations. So the general form is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. Here also x and y are the variables. a1, b1, c1 are the real numbers of first equation. a2, b2, c2 are the real numbers of second equation. For example, 4x plus 2y minus 2 equal to 0, 6x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Here the variables are x and y. 4, 2 and minus 2 are the real numbers in first equation. You can use negative numbers also because we have said a1, b1, c1 are the real numbers. Real numbers including all types of numbers. The second equation 6, 3 and 4 are the real numbers. Now we can discuss about the graphical representation of linear equations in two variables. This also you have studied in 9th standard. The graphical representation of linear equation in two variables is a straight line. Straight line. Graphical representation of linear equation in two variables is a straight line. So, the graphical representation of pair of linear equations in two variables is pair of straight lines. Linear equation means there is only one equation, so the graphical representation is only a single line. Pair of linear equations means there are two linear equations, so we are getting two straight lines. We know there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. For example, I have written one linear equation in two variables on the board, x plus y equal to 5. Here if we give the value of x is 1 and value of y is 4, we are getting 1 plus 4 equal to 5. The equation is true. So, x equal to 1, y equal to 4 is a solution of this equation. If we give x equal to 2 and y equal to 3, then also we are getting 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Therefore, value of x is 2 and y equal to 3. The same way, we can find out many solutions. We can use decimals also. So, there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. So, if we represent the above example x plus y equal to 5 graphically, we get a straight line. We represented the values 1, 4, 2, 3 graphically and joined we get a straight line. On that straight line we can see so many points. 3, 2 is also a point on that straight line. 4, 1 is also a point on that straight line. If we substitute this 3, 2 in this equation x plus y equal to 5. X is 3 and y is 2. X plus y is equal to 3 plus 2 equal to 5. we get the equation is true. So 3-2 is also a solution, 4-1 is also a solution. So all the points on this straight line are solutions for this equation x plus y equal to 5. So we can conclude there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. So let us conclude it once again. The graphical representation of a linear equation in two variables is a straight line, and there are infinitely many solutions for a linear equation in two variables. If we represent pair of linear equations in two variables graphically, we get pair of straight lines. If we represent the linear equations, we are getting only straight line. So if we represent pair of linear equations in two variables, we are getting pair of straight lines. If we draw pair of straight lines on a plane, there are any one among these possibilities: intersecting lines, coincident lines, or parallel lines. The first one is intersecting lines. If we draw two lines, they may intersect each other at a point. Second one is coincident lines. Coincident lines, here also pair of lines. The first line is on the second line. Third one is parallel lines. Here also pair of lines, but they are not intersecting here. So the number of solutions we are taking by considering how many times they intersect each other. Here they are intersecting each other at only one point. So there is only one solution or unique solution. Here they are intersecting at all points. That is, they are intersecting at infinitely many points. So there are infinitely many solutions. Here they are not intersecting. So there is no solution. So pair of straight lines, if they are intersecting, there is only one solution, that is unique solution. If they are coincident lines, there are infinitely many solutions. If they are parallel lines, there is no solution. Dear students, I hope you understood the topic in this video. If you have any doubt, please comment.